ERP package labels using Baxi's online calculator tool. Baxi's online calculator tool is the easiest and most professional means of completing your ERP package and product labels. In this example, we will be showing you how to generate your package and product labels having installed a Baxi EcoBlue boiler and a room thermostat package. Whilst on the online calculator tool page of our website, select the boiler or heater you have installed from the heater list. In this example, we have chosen a Baxi EcoBlue 28 kilowatt combi which has an efficiency rating of 93%. Add the additional products you have installed in the package. We have chosen to install a basic Baxi room thermostat. This room thermostat is a Class 1 product and will add 1% to the efficiency rating of the package. Automatically, the package efficiency is updated along with the package label. If there are no more products to enter to the package, then enter your dealer name and the system name in the required field. If you have installed an alternative manufacturer's product to accompany your Baxi boiler, you can add them using the custom article button. Click the button and complete the fields manually to update the label. Download and print the package label and spec sheet and leave all the documents with the homeowner. Visit our ERP online calculator tool by clicking the link on screen.